أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته كيف حالكم وكيف الدروس How are you and how has been studies? I hope you are practicing what we have been learning. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easy for every one of us. Now, in the last class, we discussed أحكام النون الساكنة والتنوين, the rules of nun sakina and tanween. And I mentioned that it is very important that we know that area of Tajweed, and I believe everyone has been practicing so far. Today we'll be discussing ahkamul mim as-sakina, the mim sakina rules. So if you have not been practicing the rules of nun sakina and tanween, you have not gone through it, you have not put it into effort, the rules, then you have more works to do, because understanding that is what is going to aid your understanding on the rules of mim sakina. What is mim sakina and what are the rules of mim sakina? Ta'rifu al-mim as-sakina is also very similar to that of nun as-sakina. We remember that we said hiya al-khaliyatu min al-haraka al-thalatha, min al-harakati al-thalatha. That is, the nun sakina is also that which is free from any vowel of the Arabic vowels, that is the fatha, kasra, and dhamma. Mim sakina is also that which is also free from any vowels, whether fatha, kasra, and dhamma. وهي التي سكونها ثابت, and it is that which its sukun, the silent vowel, is fixed. It is fixed. ثابت, it is fixed and established. في الوصل والوقف, when continuing the recitation or reading and when stopping or pausing. So the mim sakina, you are going to be pronouncing what sound, your two lips is going to be touching each other when you are pronouncing the nun sakina, the silent, the mim sakina, the silent mim, the mim free from any vowel, okay, when you are continuing your reading and when you are stopping or pausing your reading. And the mim sakina can also be found within and at the end of word, just as we can find nun sakina within and at the end of Arabic word. And mim sakina can also be found fil asma wal af'al and wal huruf. It can be found in Arabic noun, Arabic verbs, and Arabic particles. So we gave some examples. For noun, Arabic noun, that is in alhamdu. The word alhamdu is a noun in Arabic, and we can find the mim having its sukun fixed and properly established without no doubt. Okay, the mim is there in alhamdu. That is what we are talking, and that is what we are referring to as al-mim as-sakina, mim free from every other vowels but having its sukun properly fixed in the word. And in Arabic verb fi'l, we also have qumtum. Qumtum, the word qumtum is Arabic verb, and we can also find the mim having its sukun there. In Arabic harf, we have am is harf, lam is also harf, lam yunabba. Okay, it is there, the mim is having sukun. Lam, the mim is also having its sukun. I believe you have understood what mim sakina is. Now moving forward to the rules of mim sakina. So whenever we find mim sakina, mim having its sukun like this, mim free from any vowel, then when um, um, it is being followed by any other Arabic letters, Arabic alphabets, then we will be having three possible rules. We're having three possible rules. And the first rule could be al-ikhfa'u al-shafawi. The second one al-idgham al-saghir or idgham al-mithlain. And the third one is al-idharu al-shafawi. And these rules shall also be discussed accordingly. The first rule, al-ikhfa'u al-shafawi. Al-ikhfa'u al-shafawi. If we recall our knowledge of nun sakina and tanween, we discussed the rules and we mentioned al-ikhfa. So applying the rule, the definition of ikhfa is also applicable to that of mim as-sakina. So al-ikhfa loghatan, it is a sitr, hiding or hidden something. When something is hidden or when you are hiding something, a sitr, to cover, to hide something. Okay, and technically it is also a nutqu biharfin sakinin, that is pronouncing a silent or a non-voweled letter, arin ani tashdid, stripped of any shadda, that is emphasis, ala sifatin bain al-izhar wal-idgham, characterized as between clear, pronouncing letter clearly, as izhar, and idgham, that is merging letter. So the pronunciation of ikhfa al-shafawi is in between pronouncing letter clearly and also hiding and also merging letter inside one another. Thus, it is ikhfa because we are hiding mim sakina. It is ikhfa. That mim sakina is the letter we are hiding. Okay, and it is shafawi because the letter is being pronounced through the lips. Okay, it is being pronounced through the lips. Okay, so for ikhfa shafawi, we have one letter, which is al-ba. It is al-ba. The letter of ikhfa shafawi is al-ba. That is, when mim sakina is followed by al-ba, when mim sakina is followed by a ba, then the mim is going to be hidden with an accompanying ghunna. Okay, with an accompanying ghunna, and this is going to be called ikhfa'an shafawiyan. Okay, it's going to be called ikhfa'an shafawiyan. When mim sakina is followed by al-ba, the applicable rule is going to be ikhfa'u ash-shafawi. We have ikhfa'u shafawi occurring between two words. So it can only occur between two words and not within a word. We have examples. Inna rabbahum bihim. Rabbahum bihim. This is mim sakina. In the underlined words, we have mim sakina followed by al-ba. So when these occur, we will be saying the rule is ikhfa'u ash-shafawi. We also have in yawma tarmihim bihijaratin. Tarmihim bihijaratin min sijil. ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل. So ترميهم بحجارة. So this is also إخفاء الشفوي, and we said إخفاء الشفوي is also, it is going to be a pronunciation between إظهار, because it is going to be sounding as if you are pronouncing the meme clearly, but the fact that the next letter that comes after the meme is also being pronounced from the lips, so you are not going to be, it is going to be a clear izhar, as if you are pronouncing the meme clearly, or you are inserting both meme and ba together, and that is what he said, ala sifatin bain al izhari wal irgham. Therefore, when this occurs, it is going to be pronounced with baqa'i al ghunna, the with gunna remaining on the first letter, that is al meme. The main focus is on meme, because it is the meme that we are talking about. It is the meme that we are talking about its rule. Okay, so gunna is now going to be remaining on the first letter, which is al meme as sakina. That is when we'll be applying gunna to pronounce the word inna rabbahum bihim and tarmihim bihijaratin. The next rule of mim sakina is also idgham as-saghir, which is also called al-idgham al-mithlayn. Al-idgham, with our knowledge of ahkam nun sakina tanween, we know that idgham means al-idkhal, that is insertion or merging something together. And applied definition or technical definition is iltiqa'u harfin sakinin. We can also say idkhalu harfin sakinin. Iltiqa'u harfin sakinin biharfin mutaharrikin. That is meeting of a sakina letter, a non-voweled letter, with a voweled letter. So these two letters are meeting together, بحيث يصيران حرفا واحدا مشددا, and these two letters then become one emphasized letter. So, and we know that في الحرف الأول, the first letter that we are talking about is mim as-sakina. It is also interesting to note that the letter of idgham as-saghir is also mim. We are talking of rule of mim sakina. Okay, we're talking of rule of mim sakina, and the letter of idgham as-saghir under rule of mim sakina is al-mim, which means when mim sakina, which is the first letter, a non-voweled letter, okay, when mim sakina is followed by another mim, then we will be inserting the mim into each other. We'll be inserting or merging them together, which then the second letter, which is the voweled mim, will then acquire a shadda. The first mim, which is mim sakina, would remain there, not having anything, and the second mim having vowel, okay, it may have fatha, kasra, or dhamma vowel, it will then acquire a shadda. So when this occurs, we would be having what is called al-idgham as-saghir or al-idgham al-mithlayn. So it is idgham mithlayn because there are two similar or two identical letters. Okay, we are merging two identical letters together, and that's why it's called idgham mithlayn. And it is saghir. It is saghir because there is going to be a gunna. There is going to be a gunna. It is not a total or complete insertion. So idgham saghir can occur. It can occur within or between two words, and within a word. Yes, You can find idgham as-saghir between two words and within a word, and we have some examples in walakum ma kasabtum. Walakum ma kasabtum. We can see that in the word walakum, the meme there is not having sukun, is not having anything, and the next meme that comes after it is having vowel. And we remember that we said when this occur, the second meme would be acquiring a shadda. So this is idgham as-saghir or idgham al-mithlain. Kam min fi'atin, the same thing. Kam min fi'atin, kam min fi'atin qalila. Then we also have in alif lam mim. This is a word. Alif lam mim is a word. So lam, when pronouncing or spelling out lam, you see that we are spelling lam fatha, alif madi la, and then mim, lam. Then we also have mim. While spelling mim, mim is also spelled. When we are spelling out mim, it also begins with the letter mim. Okay, so the combination or the coming together of these two words then is what leads to idgham as-saghir. Alif lam mim. I hope that is clearly taken. Then the third rule is also idharu ash-shafawi. Idhar ash-shafawi, we recall that al-idhar means al-bayan, that is clear and obvious. When something is clearly exposed or clearly pronounced out. And the applied definition is also that إخراج كل حرف من مخرجه من غير غنة في الحرف المظهر. It is also pronouncing every letter from its articulation point without غنة من غير غنة on the cleared letter حرف المظهر. The حرف المظهر, the letter we are to pronounce clearly, or that we are to exposed out clearly, is al-mim as-sakina. It is mim sakina that we want to pronounce out clearly. Okay, so idharu shafawi has 26 letters, 26 harfan, and these are the remaining letters of of Arabic alphabet. That is, if any of these letters follow a mim sakina, the mim is to be pronounced clearly, and this is going to be called idharon shafawiyan. So when this occur, we are going to be saying this rule, the applicable rule is idharu ash-shafawi. Idharu ash-shafawi. It can occur in a word and as well as between two words. In the word alhamdu, we can see the mim being pronounced out clearly, and it is found within a word. Alhamdu. We are going to be saying that the applicable rule here is idharu ash-shafawi. Okay, idharu ash-shafawi. The same thing, khudh min amwalihim. Min amwalihim. Amwalihim. The word amwalihim is one single word, and the rule there is idharu ash-shafawi. Wa arsala alayhim tayran. Wa arsala alayhim tayran. Him tayran. You can see that ta coming after mim and then makes the rule idharu shafawi applicable, and the mim is being pronounced out clearly. Lakum dinukum. This is also found between two words, mim sakina followed by dal. Then we'll be having idharu ash-shafawi. We're having idharu ash-shafawi. Na'am. So it is being called shafawi, like I said, because it is a letter being pronounced from the lips. Mim being pronounced from the lips, and we have to expose it out, and that is why it is called idhar. Then merging it together leads to idharu ash-shafawi. I urge everyone to go and practice more. We extract إظهار الشفوي, الإدغام الصغير, and الإخفاء الشفوي. We bring them out from our Quran and we pronounce them correctly. I hope this has been taken, and I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us ease and make it easy and beneficial for every one of us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.